project was led by Professor Claudio Silva. We built this tool called Urban Portfolio, which is an interactive visual analysis tool that allows for the exploration of a large collection of street-level images with leverage over 7 million images collected in New York City, and they give an idea of how the city is changing throughout time. And this data provides a comprehensive coverage of how the city is changing throughout time. And it gives the potential to provide users with the ability to see the city in a way that it was not possible before. Leverage computer vision techniques to compute a feature vector for each one of these images, and we then build a tool called Urban Portfolio that uses a memory-efficient index to allow for interactive queries over this large image dataset. In this visual interface, we couple with popular urban datasets, which can give to different stakeholders the ability to see this data in conjunction with different urban datasets. The visual appearance of a city can reveal interesting aspects not captured by regular tabular data that is extensively used for urban planning, designing, and policymaking. In this work, we propose Urban Portfolio, a system that allows users to interactively search and explore a large street-level image collection in combination with spatial-temporal urban datasets. We use the output from a convolutional neural network to represent the features of the images. To overcome the resulting size of the feature data, we use LSH-based index that reduces the size of the feature data and significantly speeds up image similarity queries. Urban Portfolio allows the following operations. As shown here, the user can upload an image and either query for the entire image or a patch of the image. In the following two examples, the user queries the dataset for images that contain traffic cones and scaffolding. Urban Portfolio also allows the spatial and temporal constraints using datasets. In this case study, the user first selects a region with a high amount of construction permits. Then, the user explores to find an image from the beginning of a construction. By using this image as a query, the user can refine the exploration. As shown here, Urban Portfolio can be used to track the end-to-end evolution of a construction project.
There is this notion of rights of the way, which talks about some parts of it deals with the intersection and ramps and pedestrian crossings. And one of the things that should be taken into account is to install this tactile pavement at the intersections and wherever the ramps are. So that for the people with vision impairment or movement disabilities, it would be kind of like as a signal that they are changing from a safer place to a more dangerous one. So going from a sidewalk to a street, for example, or they have reached an intersection. With Urban Portfolio, we can help with the assessment of the quality of this pavement, the tactile pavement, and also filter the locations where they have been installed, and also assess their qualities through different weather conditions and different times of the year, whether it was there or not, or it was in a good condition or not.